Morning students. Hope all you are enjoying your study well. Today we are going to start our first lesson of history. When, where and how. In this lesson you will learn about what is history and what is the important to study history. What is the difference between prehistory and history? Source of history and what is the effect of history in your life. Let's us start with this picture. Student, in the first picture we can see the woman from the Harappan civilization. In the second picture there is an image of Anandi Gopal Joshi. The third is a recent photograph of an Indian woman. The picture shows the clothes worn by women in India over the past 4000 years. Students, what we learn that as the days passes, there will be lots of changes occur in human life. It means our past is related to our present. Now, what is history? The word history is derived from the Greek word historia. Historia means a narrative of past events, and the people who study history are called historians. Students, again I am repeating myself that in simple language we can say in history we are learning about the events of our past. For example, stories of Panchatantra, the Jatakas, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Now we will move on second topic, that is what is the difference between history and prehistory. Student, listen carefully that prehistory is the study of events before humans learned to read and write. On the other hand, history is a written account of past events. Given below, you can see the picture of cave painting. The picture below is of a cave painting from Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. It is a good example of what is prehistory. That time, people express their ideas, thoughts, emotion by painting on cave walls. Look this picture. It is of the oldest written language in the world. It shows the Sumerian script. It means till this period of time, people started to writing on walls or on the bark of tree. Students, maybe one question comes in your mind, why we are doing the study of past? Many people ask, why should we study history if it is deal with things that happens long ago? For this one question, we have many answers. First is history shows us how things have changed over time. Second, it tells us who we are and where we came from. For instance, we are Indians. We come from Indus Valley civilization. Third one is, by studying the history, we come to know about our leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela. Students, I know very well. All you know, these leaders become a very great personality of the world. In the last year, you also learn about this leader and their life. Thank you and have a nice day.